Alrighty students, now I can see everyone is now comfortably seated in their own groups and nobody's being left behind. Am I right? Yes, good job students. Now, okay, what I want all of you to do is I want you to decide a number within your groups. For instance, Adam, you'll be number 1. Emma, you will be number 2. Shami, you will be number 3, and Dahlia, you will be number 4. Same goes to the other groups. I want all of you, each of you, to have a number. Okay? Alrighty, students. So, I assume you now all have your own numbers. Okay, so we will go right into the question that I would like to ask all of you today. So, my question is, do you think using TikTok has a positive or negative effect on your overall well-being? If so, why? What an interesting question, isn't it? So, I already highlighted the key points as you can see here using TikTok. So, what is that, students? Yes, exactly. It's a social media platform. And I circled the word actively. So let's imagine you sitting in your room and actively scrolling through TikTok all day, all night. So what I want all of you to think is, does that has a positive or a negative effect on you? So let's say, Adam, you love scrolling through TikTok, right? And then you say it has a positive effect on you. But what are the reasons that it has a positive effect on you? So I want all of you to state that in a piece of paper, but I want all of you to privately think of the answers on your own for a good 2 minutes. Okay? Alright, students? Now, after that, what I want all of you to do is, after the time has ended, you will come together, put your heads together to discuss your answers within your groups, to discuss your answers with your friends, alright? And at this time, you will take turns, and I will give you around 5 minutes for you to discuss within your groups, alright? And then we will discuss it later. Alright, students, so are there any questions you would like to ask? Okay, no questions, good. So I will give you 2 minutes to get into your thinking caps and think of the possible answer to this question, and then you will go right into a discussion within your groups, alright? Okay, boys and girls, let's begin. Okay, students, time is up. Now I want all of you to come together within your groups and discuss about the answers that was written on your paper, and as well as discuss your opinions on the questions that was asked, okay? So if you needed any help, just feel free to raise up your hand and ask for my help, alright? Alright, students, time is up. Now I want all of you to be seated in your own groups. Okay, alright, good. Now, if you notice, I just handed out these 2 cards for each group. It says positive with a smiley face and negative with a grumpy face. So I will call out a number. Let's say I will call out number 2, and the person who is labeled number 2 from each group will stand up, and you will have to choose one of this card, positive or negative, based on your opinions on the question that was asked. All right. So let's say Rainer, you agree, or you agree that scrolling through TikTok actively has a positive impact on your well-being. You must hold out this response card here while you explain to the whole class why do you believe so. All right? Okay, so now I will call out the number. So who is the lucky person to explain their findings on this question? I will call out number 4. Okay, number 4, stand up please. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, good. Now give a big clap to your friends who has the courage to stand up and share their thoughts on this question. Okay, we will begin with Dahlia and followed by the others. All right? Okay, so Dahlia, what do you think about this question? All right, Dahlia, thank you so much for your incredible insight on this question. I am so happy to know that scrolling through TikTok actually has a positive impact on you. Good job. Okay, everyone, give a big round of applause to Dahlia. All right, now moving on, we will move to Adrian. All right, so Adrian, what do you think about this question? What is your opinion on this? All right, students, thank you so much for your insights. Now, please be seated, team number 4. Thank you so much for your incredible insights to this question. All right, now I will call out the next lucky number. All right, the number that I will summon today will be, drumroll please, number 1. Okay, please, people of number 1, please rise up and share your thoughts to the whole class. Oh, I see Daniel. You are number 1. You're on the number 1 team, huh? Okay, so let's begin with Daniel then, and then we will follow through with the others, all right? Okay, Daniel, what's your thought on this question? All right, students, thank you so much for your active participation during this activity. I really appreciate a lot of your opinions and thoughts on this matter. Okay, for those who hasn't gotten the opportunity to speak up their thoughts on this topic, afraid not, I still have one last activity for all of you. All right, but I want all of you to please remain in your groups, because this one last activity still requires teamwork from all of you. Okay, so let's get right into it, shall we?